Hello! Today I have another exciting video for you guys. I was at the mall the other day and I once again was stuck in Sephora. During the holidays, you're always taking your family out, eating. Somehow the mall is where everyone goes. I spent most of my time there during the holidays. So I was in Sephora and I was hanging around the Fenty booth, and then something caught my eye right next to Fenty Beauty's booth, and it was this palette, and it was by Pat McGrath. I don't know who Pat McGrath is, but when I was looking at her makeup line on the shelf, it looked really exciting. It just caught my eye and it just drew me towards the makeup. And so I googled her, and it turns out she is one of the most influential makeup artists in the world. So I was excited to use it. Of course, me as the crazy guru I am of makeup, I bought all three palettes. This is the MOTHERSHIP 1, 2, and 3. They were a little bit pricey. For one, it's about $125, which to me, I was kind of like taken back a little bit, but considering if you were to buy one shadow each, it would be like running from $7 to $12. I think 8 of them in one. So I think it kind of is worth it. The packaging is very nice. It looks very sleek and very creative at the same time. I've never seen anything like it. That's probably why I was kind of drawn to it. All these colors, and this one has a face on it and it has a bug. I'm not sure what that bug is, but it kind of looks cool because it's gold. The way that she designed her palettes and the packaging is really nice, and I think it's something worth trying out. I feel like it's presented well, it's thought through, and the person behind it really put a lot of effort into making her product. So I'm really excited to try these out. One palette, and there's 8 of them in here. 2, 4, 6, 8. Actually, there's 10 colors in here. I feel like it's worth it. Even though it's $125 for one, if you were to buy them separately, it would cost the same or more, if not. And these are really heavy. I'm not sure if I like it heavy because when I travel on the weekends, I don't want to have such a heavy luggage with me, but at the same time I like that it feels expensive and I paid $125 for it. Here it has all of her logo, and the back is all gold. For me, anything shiny, gold, bright, drama I'm sold. And right here it says shade throwing and eye ecstasy. I throw shade all day. So this is my perfect palette. Anyway, I'm going to dig into this and show you what the colors look like. Right now, I already have my foundation on. Everything is already set, so we're just only gonna focus on eyeshadow and lipstick today. Speaking of lipstick, I also went crazy with her lipstick and bought like 6 of them. And they're all pretty packaging. Super cute, super nice, super creative. Twist the top, the lipstick goes straight up. But if you twist the bottom, the lipstick twists. Goes in a spiral. It's nice to have an option, and it's creative, so I appreciate that this is innovative. Let's get started. There's so many colors, I don't even know which one to use. My background is kind of yellow, so I think I'm going to try using the yellow nude colors, warm colors. I'm going to dig into this palette right here. Color I'm going to use first is Bronze 005. There is a little bit of a fallout because it's kind of like a glittery shade, and with this kind of eyeshadow you have to use the Fix Plus to keep it in and bring more color and make it more intensified. You have it. I'm going to get a little bit of this color right next to it, which is Iconic, and go underneath my waterline. Then I'm going to go into the hollows of my eyes right here. Extend it a little bit further out so you have that cat eye look, and blend like you've never blended before. Next, I am going to go into Dark, which is this color, and then give it more definition into the hollows of my eyes, the creases right here. And then blend it out, make it nice and smooth. Then I'm going to use that same color and define the under eye. And round it off a little bit so that my eyes will look a little bit bigger. Okay, so far it looks really good. The only problem is the glitter has a lot of, the shimmers have a lot of fallout. So I think you can just fix that by using the Fix Plus when you apply it. Let's do that. Just a spray and then go back with that bronze color. Already you can see that's intensified a lot more. It's bringing out the color. I think it works that way with all the shimmers on here. I need more color in my life. Next off, I'm going to take this color right here called VR Nectar and put it into the inner corners of my eyes. Ooh, that one's nice, and I didn't even use the Fix Plus. Yes. With Skinshow Glow, I'm going to use it on the underneath my eyebrows to highlight my eyebrow bone. This also helps clean my eyebrow shape, make it look nice and sleek. Okay, so one of my eye is done. I'm gonna work on the other one right now. Eyeshadow is done. I'm going to put on my eyeliner. I use the Shuamura eyeliner, and now I'm moving on to mascara. Add some drama. Also Shuamura. This is the Petal Lash mascara. The bulk of my eyes is done. If anything, I'll come back and touch up, but last thing for the eyes is my Poupee eyelashes. If you guys want to order this, you can email me at unmin@unmin.net. I only have 2 styles, one natural and one dramatic. Right now I'm going to use the dramatic one. While I'm waiting for my lashes to dry a little bit before I apply it, just want to tell you a little bit about my eyelashes. It came out maybe a few months ago, and I've been trying to get it on Amazon, but for some reason Amazon is taking a long time, so I don't think I'm going to go through that process. So if you guys want, just email me directly and I will figure out a way to get this to you. Lashes are slightly tacky, the glue. I'm going to apply it right there. Just use a tweezer, it's easier that way, or at least for me it's easier. Then I can adjust it accordingly. There you go. Now I'm going to do the other one. I'm a super blind bat, so I need the mirror like really close to my eyes so I can see. Someday I'll get my eyes lasered and LASIK, but right now, nothing yet. Now you can see that one of my eyes, the lashes look much bigger, much longer. My eyes open a lot more. It's because the way that I applied it, I did this one more upwards and this one more straight, so that this one looks more natural and this one's more dramatic. So even though it's dramatic lashes, you can also make it natural by playing around with the shape and direction and angles. But now since I like drama, I'm going to push this one up to give it that same effect. My lashes are on now, and you can see just by pushing it up, you can get that extra volume. Now moving forward to blush. Since this palette has a pink color right here, I'm gonna try to take this color and put it on my cheeks, see what that looks like. I might as well, since this palette was so expensive, use everything to your advantage. Oh, that's pretty. It has a nice shimmer to it. I think this can also be used as a highlighter too, if you guys wanted to do that. Use a big brush on it. That small brush is not gonna do me any justice. There you go. This color, some angles when you turn, it looks kind of orange, and then other times it looks pink. So today is going to be a pink-orange color look. Color that I was using on my cheek was VR Pink. Moving on to lipstick, I'm going to use the color Sextrology. Let me get my lip liner on. I like to line my lips to make it more defined and also to last longer. And the way to do that is to fill in your lips. My lip liner is on. dropped. Once again, Sextrology. Let's see which way I'd like to twist it. I usually do it at the bottom because that's normal, but let's do the top to change it up. Ooh. Okay. Let's put this on. This is a nice pink color that'll match well with the bronze gold that I have on my shadow. That should complete my look. It's very nice, soft, pretty kind of look. I would say it's kind of bridal look. I was kind of scared to dig into the palettes, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to do more tutorials with her palettes. So far I like it. The only problem is like some of the colors have a lot of pigments, like the ones without the glitter, and some of the glitters have some good pigments and others don't, so you'll have to use the Fix Plus to get that color intensified. But so far it's good. The lipstick, I like the color. I will continue to use all these other lipstick right here for other tutorials for you. We have a lot of them coming soon, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.